Me don't know what them a pre-bout. A keynote. Can't press me like remote. Them say them a clean, but I like that. Me a step up in a left, them I like that. Me a burn them out like newspaper. Put a fire upon a hater. After me try so hard, then want me feel, want me pop down and lose my faith. Them no want hear me mother drink sorry. Every day.
Guys, good morning. I hope you're having a pleasant morning anywhere you're watching from. Thank you. Welcome to Kina Life in Jamaica. I know we're here. Got fresh breeze here in Treasure Beach. Wonderful location, where you guys can try out. If you've never been here before, you need to check out Treasure Beach. And even this one wonderful Airbnb that I'm staying, it's called Marblue. You can also check them out as well too whenever. And you have Lashings as well too. Right next to me is also a great gentleman as well too of mine. So they both work hand in hand, with each other, helping out each other, and we like that about this part of the spot, so I'm gonna take myself to the pool, to have a quick swim, before I walk the area and all of that. It goes already. So hope you're a wonderful morning wherever you are. And guys, remember, please to put the thumbs up whenever you're watching. Thank you so much for watching Kina Live in Jamaica. So today I'm going to be visiting two pools. Lashings and here. It's a must. So beautiful. Yeah. So guys, in the morning here, the sunshine, looking at the beach side, it is nice, so nice. I need to get a footage for Dave. You right? Right in it. Oh, Dave gone in?
I think he's at his room.
Alright guys, so check it out here, bright and early here in the morning. Bright and early, we can see, look at how wonderful this is here in the morning. Let's take a look. Here in the morning. I remember I tell you about this chill spot where the hammock is. So nice. It is so nice. Alright, so let's take you guys to the pool. Over there, if you're here with kids, you can also have your slide as well. Also, you know, it's Lashings Beach Club. So this one is called Lashings Beach Club. Love his garden, so nice. Morning, so nice. So let me go have an early morning swim. Lady, every time you look down on me, beautiful man. Well, so nice. That is literally the pool cleaner. That is what they use to clean the pool itself. Turn it on, it just picks up the leaves or anything that comes inside. You know? Just look at this beauty. You know? So I'll be swimming in 2 pools, starting off here, and then I'll be going over to the next one. You know, so guys, remember, we can check out Lashings, www.lashings.com. You know, also for Marblue, you can check out the number that you see come across the screen, which is Andrea. You know, that's her contact number. You can contact her as well. You know, come on, when you're down here in Treasure Beach, come on, let's come and chill out, you know, have a nice time here at Treasure Beach. You know, so lovely. I'll keep telling you this, telling you that. So you got 2 options, pool 1 and pool 2. Yeah, so I'm going to be go over to the next pool now. It's pool morning for me. So let's take you over by Marblue. So I'll take the shortcut. It's a shortcut draw blood. Well, there's no blood draw now. So here's the next pool. It's a bit small. You know, that is my room upstairs there. So you know, this one is much smaller.
Yeah.
Good security. That is my security. Mousy.
Yeah, it's our whole security.
Yeah.
Yeah, man.
She's cussing. I'm gonna have a swim.
Yeah, please.
Yeah. And
Okay.
I'm okay. Okay. So, guys, so there you go. This one's a bit smaller. Oh, but a bit deeper. You see where it reached me? It's got a little deepness to it, as you can see. When I'm standing here, this is where the water is, you know. But is the length and the width is a bit smaller from the next one, but it is still cozy, as you can see, same way, you know. So still swim. Buddha. Check out this Buddha. And Buddha name we praise. Am I right? Buddha, right guys? Buddha name be praised. This Buddha there. Buddha, Buddha. Get some swimming, so I'm gonna walk around a bit, and I also got studio to go to record this song. Nice. I got you ready love. Alright guys, so that is my swimming for now, you know. So I'm gonna hit the shower and then hit the road. Andrea's dream. Well guys, guess what? Got good news, good news. So I'm up here by Lashings. You also have one down by the where you see I was, by the pool swimming around in that, and also there's one here also up on the hill. So basically, so up here on the hill now, you see Dave, who is the owner, the short white man that I was talking to about the cricket. He's the owner, and the man was having a talk and everything, and because you had highlighted this place, Dave said also said he's gonna allow me to have couple days up here as well too, so I should choose like when I want to come, have some time up here, for myself. So I'm saying, whenever you're ready, just let me know. The couple days is up here for you, up here on the top, which is our next Lashings, and this is also a nice, wonderful hiding spot as well too. So I'm not gonna give you the full tour of it yet till when time I literally come to stay, but up here is very luxurious as well too. And you got parrots. You also have some parrot. Polly want a cracker? Polly want a cracker? Polly, you want a cracker? You want a cracker? Huh? Polly? Oh, Polly? Beautiful. Polly, you want a cracker? Huh? Talk to me. Talk to me. Polly's looking. Yes, guys, so up here is also very nice as well too. So let me just take you by the poolside, as you can see the view. I remember I was right where yesterday I was at the beachfront down that direction. That's literally where I was, by the beachfront, so let me show you what's going on. So nice. I'm gonna take you to the poolside. I am so blessed, and I give thanks. Big up yourself, Dave. Guys, Dave also is running this also as well too. So you can also check it out. So here we got a relaxing cabana into the shades and everything. I have the poolside in here. About this, let's look at this. Look at the pool right here, and look at the view that you're getting. So as you can see, the right in the bottom, Lashings, and it also have a gym as well too. I'm saying, Kino, there's a gym up there if you want to go on and get your exercise going. Cause I see you like that, the athletic stuff, And there's also a gym in here as well too. It's also a gym if you guys like the gym work, but I also like the idea of all the sticks, that they use the culture way, and keeping it more roots, keeping it, I don't know what to say, but you know what to say, guys. It's keeping it more like the nature vibes, using all of these sticks. I don't know what type of sticks is this coming from, what type of tree or whatsoever, but you can see this is a lot of work to get all of these sticks. This is always my favorite part, to jump in the pool, always to jump in the pool, so rooms there in the place. So this is the gym here. Oh, this is so, guys, I was just passing through, I'm saying, go take a look to see what it's like, if I want to stay up here or I want to stay down there. So I'll guess I'll come stay up here for a couple of days, next time. I won't do it today, because I'm already staying down there already, but this is definitely the next ideal spot for me, very nice. And this is the boutique hotel room. So here you have your own space, you can relax under the cool breeze that's coming through that nice place and everything, so it is so lovely. So what a wonderful experience. So yes, guys, so you're not going to get the full tour yet, I'm just passing by to see if I'm interested of staying here, but so far, yes, I would definitely be staying here for sure, so you got also upstairs there and everything. There's so much tour to do, but I have to go meet up Satnam, so we can head to the studio, but the sun is kind of hot now, You know, it's really really hot, so I'm waiting the sun to kind of cool down so I can like literally give you guys some insight to what the area looks like and everything. But for now I cannot walk in this sun. It's too hot, and it seems like down here is more hotter than Kingston for sure, you know, for sure. So stay tuned, guys. Well guys, well, hey, one thing I can say, Treasure Beach is quiet. You know, this place is quiet, especially through the sun is so hot. You can't really see no one out at the minute. Everyone is in, like literally the sun is boiling hot. You know, so hot. Can you tell me why down here is so hot? You know, if you have an idea why Treasure Beach is so hot, like on a whole, it's too hot. Look, no one on the road. Well guys, you see that Rasta color building? I need to find out what type of building is that. Is that a Rasta hideout or whatsoever it is? You know, when you see the Rasta color, you know some traditional things going on over there. So let me take a look where I go on, because I was still in Treasure Beach here, so I'm back in Treasure Beach. So I go on over here. The Rasta vibration, red, green and gold. Looks like them lock up. Oh, dog a bark. Rastafari. It's a Rasta yard. Hello? I wish this doesn't look like an Airbnb. This looks like it's a Rasta man place. This doesn't look like an Airbnb. Look at the beach. Look at the sea. So beautiful. This doesn't look like an Airbnb or whatsoever. unless it closed down or something. But I'm not hearing no one in the yard at all. Blessed love. Blessings. Blessings. It's not even a doorbell. No doorbell is out here. So I guess it's closed. I don't think maybe this owned by a Rasta man. Come back and check some other time. Rasta man! Rasta man! I'm not getting no sound at all. Not getting no sound. See no signs of no one. So probably not even an Airbnb, it's probably somebody's apartment, you know, probably someone's home, family home, a Rasta family at that as well, because that look like a Rasta thing. Good morning. Well guys, well, you know, it's the next day. Yesterday I really got busy and the sun kind of drunk me, you know, so up and running now, you know, so we're just gonna get some breakfast, you know, and got this wonderful view here, Treasure Beach, wonderful view. So here you got the local shop. This is the local shop. That's it, brother. Hello. Beautiful morning, boy. Guys, Satnam was a bit under the weather, and I guess he's feeling much better right now, right, bro?
Yeah, I'm tablets. You want to write tablets?
It helps.
Yeah.
It's a lot of land, man. So we're gonna head to the studio now. See what I go on. I used to stay over that beyond sunset already, you know. nice place as well. Beyond sunset. Studio South Coast. Oh, it smells some nice breakfast.
You know?
Studio South Coast, guys. So if you're watching and you're not recording at Studio South Coast, if you're an artist, you know, strictly positivity.
Yeah.
No boogie yaga. No just chop that. No, strictly positivity
or in
here.
her throat or up in her something.
Yeah. So right here is strictly authentic, you know, music. So close by CMA, if you come to Jamaica, anywhere in Treasure Beach, you know, we at South Coast. Not the North Coast, but the South Coast. Beautiful setups. Can't go wrong, guys. Can't go wrong. Pleasant morning. Have to go order some breakfast. You had breakfast already?
No, I'm gonna take it easy.
You take it easy.
Some soursop, Irish mash, and some pineapple. I'm gonna go up downstairs for now, and then if I get hungry now.
Alright then. Let me go see what they got around here and come back.
You don't want saltfish in your ackee, you can do that.
Huh?
You don't want saltfish in your ackee, she can do that for you.
Alright then. Let's see what I go on. This is her right here. Miss Dawn. Miss Dawn. So that is Miss Dawn and the shop right there. That is Miss Dawn. Alright, yeah. You know the thing go. Blessed fire. Blessed. Oh. So you can dine. Dine. Oh.
No, it's not. Uh-oh. I thought you knew that it's all you know. No.
I see some mackerel rundown. You have mackerel, you have callaloo. You know, but I wonder if they got the mackerel rundown. That would be so good right now. Some mackerel rundown. Yeah. Have any rundown? Mackerel rundown?
So the spoon and everything is here now. You're gonna swing it.
The mackerel rundown. What can you have that with?
You choose. You decide. You choose.
Okay, so I can get ground food with it then.
Cook dumpling.
Yum.
Cook dumpling.
Yeah.
Grown food is yum.
No, I think No, I'm gonna get yam and banana. Grung food?
Yes,
Yeah, grung food is
it's
yam. Yeah.
So it's
Sorry.
having nowhere to go.
Having. Yes, grung food is yam and banana.
Here's the banana, yam. Sweet potato and them some. That's grown provision.
Of
them call it.
course, yeah. 'Cause that's what's come from the grung. So that's what the
Yeah.
grung provides, right?
Amen.
Amen. Amen. But I drop a one dumpling tonight. You know, I wonder if they got cornmeal. To add a little cornmeal.
I like it with the cornmeal.
Right.
Not so doughy, you know,
Yeah.
that kind of.
Light. Let me
Yes,
ask.
it's better with the cornmeal.
Yeah. Excuse me. Can you put a bit of cornmeal in the flour? Is it cornmeal dumpling? Oh.
Well, me just take what me know.
Yeah, can you give me one? Miss Dawn. Come here, Miss Dawn. Come here. Come. I want to put the face to the drawing that I see around there.
Me, man.
Man. I try to remember me. I've been here a good while back here with Sam, probably about over a year ago. We used to come here and have breakfast same way. You know.
There's so much people come here that me can't.
You know, you're such a lovely lady.
Yes.
You know. Sam always talk about you.
That's why everybody come here.
Of course.
Treat everybody same way.
Same way, man. So come here, look, we'll give your shop a shout out. You can tell them where to find you. You know, where you're located. So. No, you can just do it right here at the window. Yeah, like when you're in the shop.
Yeah, man.
You know, so I'm here with this lovely lady, Dawn, you know, who she is that makes everyone belly go, you know, lovely breakfast and everything. And we're here in Treasure Beach, exactly where we are now, Dawn.
We're at Smurf in Treasure Beach.
Smurf
Cafe.
Okay. What they can have when them come here?
Best Jamaican breakfast. Anything American, English, anything you can get here, you can have. It's all good.
All good. So you do breakfast, lunch, or dinner? Or
Only
those?
breakfast.
Oh, only breakfast.
And the best coffee.
So it's a breakfast spot. So boy, so sad it's not a dinner spot also. And it's so lovely to have dinner right here as well too. Only breakfast.
Yes, it's just one down. One that I can't go through because the breakfast cold.
Okay.
Stretch go along.
Go a long way.
Yeah, but
Okay.
sometimes people does eat the breakfast for lunch because it depends on what.
Okay. So what time you normally close?
Don't have a special time.
Okay, so you can go till in the evening,
I
same
just
way.
watch how the crowd goes.
Okay. So guys, so if you're here in Treasure Beach, alright, you don't have a special time, what time you close? You know, as I say, once you're here, you can just come down and have your breakfast.
From 6:30.
From 6:30, see? Bright and early. And the name of that road out there is?
This is Frenchman.
Frenchman. So you come down.
It's on Church Road.
And so it says, okay, it says, Frenchman. And so tell them the address again.
Treasure Beach, Frenchman District. It's on Church Road.
Okay. So, you know, we have a lot of viewers always come here and stay, you know, so they're looking forward to come here because lovely lady. It's not the first time I'm having your breakfast. This was my spot each time I come here with Sam.
Yes, man.
You know?
Yeah, man.
Each time. And I always love the rundown, so I'm back for the rundown again.
Okay. Okay, Sam.
Thank
you.
Alright, thank you. Yes, guys, so you know, she do the rundown, 1 down, 2 down. So I'm gonna have the mackerel rundown. You know, that's one of my favorite. Let's see. So they're gonna prepare it. You know how it goes already. Rise up now, the man. So I'm gonna sit and have, you know, while I just explore this place. So I go on wise and really. I used to have let me check out in here as well. Here is the health shop where you get your health stuff. Where your health is wealth. I used to get my smoothie here. Hello, morning. I'm just passing through. Forgot the lady name. Empress. She's not here. Okay. So I'll be back, okay? Alright. Yes, guys, this place is lovely and nice. You know, the thing goes French, man. Rastafari. You know. Yeah, we're Road. Yeah, artist?
Artist.
Yeah.
We do music for man. Dance, and we still different days, isn't it?
Yeah.
We know music feels set.
Make a big up yourself on it, man, and give yourself a shout out, man. You know what thing go, man. Rastafari, be going.
Yo, give thanks and praise, man, isn't it?
Say that
day, you know?
Say that I artist, you too?
Yeah, man.
Yeah.
Big up yourself, you know, in a KO.
KO.
KO. Big up.
So which artist name you goes by as well?
You want to show us a Safa, them call me still them.
Safa?
Yeah.
So you have music out already?
No, but the connection I make it, isn't it?
It'll make.
So the most important thing is you have a link them up down.
Yes, sure.
So then I feel, man.
And you have music out already?
No, not yet. Soon be record.
Okay.
Yeah, man.
So that means you're recording at Studio South Coast. Alright, you know Sam is like my brother from another mother. Alright, see that? Cooler man. The man that have nothing but love for people, you know?
For real, man.
Yeah, man. Because we have spread the love, see me. You know, I from Trenchtown. You know, I do charity in Trenchtown, but I don't live there, but that's where I'm originally from. No, Bob Marley place, you know. One love, man. But I say, I go and showcase the place and showcase the good people that we have in Jamaica, see me. You know. Of course, I have to represent, man. So you say you're a dancer too?
I mean, man, we're on the road, man. You know what already. Right around Jamaica, we do it, man. You see me?
Yeah.
Years on top of years, you know.
Top dance.
Yeah,
True.
we don't really go for just the fame and the hype and the money.
Yeah.
Sometimes we're on a low profile too. We don't really know the heights if you say it from the mouth.
Yeah.
If you show them, no know it.
Yes, true.
Believe in ourselves.
We're talented, you know.
Yes, sir.
You know,
Yes, sir.
all people them on the island is very talented, me I tell you. No joke, man. No joke.
Baby, them are just born to them, man.
And so you know we have to always show them the right direction.
Yeah, look down upon nobody, man. Until we start to show people around them, so we look down upon others, you know.
That is
So
it.
when I do them ball game, like,
Yeah.
you know, say your father and I love foolishness.
No, we feel of the Almighty, I look down upon we.
Represent, you know.
You see me?
Without the father, we are nothing, bro.
Nothing.
We're important, nothing important without the father, you know what I mean?
Righteous time, I like that reasoning there, you know. I like that reasoning there. Yeah, man, because the area is a bit quiet and nice, you know. I like that, you know. Be a love around here.
Yeah, man, be a love, man. You're not cussing in a year and then.
Yeah, me not hear nothing like
Be a
that.
love, man, you know. So
Nothing like that. So you can free once people come here from all different countries, them come here, them walk up and down, go anywhere they want to go. Free. So you know,
No crime, no violence.
no crime, no violence. See,
practice or something, you know.
come on, Trenchtown, you hear that? No crime, no violence. Bob Marley say one love, you know, and that's how we show it all over. One love, see you,
My
me.
original say heart of love, no shot of love. That's D-Maya. You know,
Yeah.
one love all the time.
I want the heart of love, in a shot of love, heart full of love.
Yeah, man, I see when you come, man.
Yeah, man.
You're the king, you know.
Yes, I man, cool man. So you have like a Rasta camp around here where you always find the vibration.
I want to show you, say the camp not really there on, you know, because see, many are called with a few shoes.
True.
So sometimes we can't get the right people to do the right thing.
True,
So we have to kind of keep the energy pure. So we not really make too much people know what I want. So the camp always there, I mean.
True.
When you find me at the camp, man.
That is it. No. Yeah, I just met him.
Oh, you just met him?
Yeah.
We don't really say too much, but you can't finish up.
Yeah, man. Well, I mean, I sat them up, you know.
Tell you fullness, man.
Kino runs the charity up in Trenchtown.
Yeah.
You know? Good.
And the man help
He's an
out.
artist as well.
Yeah.
Ready for the music now.
Cool man. That is it. And the man do a lot, see me for the youth them in Trenchtown, you know. And do a lot, put on tournaments and good thing there, you know. Help out with back to school.
We'll move like that, man. He will show you a thing, man.
Cool man.
My brother, you know. My father, you know.
Alright.
Yeah, man.
Solid, man.
Yeah, man, him solid, man. I years we are flick, you know.
When it's a 40, I eat me anything is a rare, man.
And them man they stand for righteousness. Pure love them man they show. You know, in and around everywhere me go, that's him, you know. Yeah, man.
Anyway, on earth.
Cooler man, most righteous man. Big up on yourself, man. You know the journey is there already. You know, blessed love, man. Blessed love. Every time. What I got there still, you know. Let me say, they have a couple of days, so when you see the eye face, see me. Yeah. Alright then.
You remember when?
Yes, man. You know, if me remember, I say your eye.
Yeah, man.
General.
Yeah, man.
Cool. Yeah, guys, you know the thing goes. Yeah, my run here is nothing but love. So I'm waiting on the breakfast to get ready. So I guess it's not ready yet. You know, so Satnam is preparing the studio. You know, so. I tell you, I'm going to hide and eat though. Oh
You
gosh.
know, we see how you eat.
I true, I don't want you see me a laba in I eat. You know?
I like that.
You like that though?
I don't hear the word.
Laba in I eat. I was in the studio, that's why, you know.
Okay, yeah, I hear the music.
Yeah, there's a studio next door there. Okay. So that's what I was there, you know,
music
enjoying.
Thing? Music thing? You sing also?
Yeah.
Band and all of that?
Yeah, well, I just sing. I don't play the band.
Okay.
I just sing. And I'm also a YouTuber as well to a vlog about the positivity of Jamaica.
Okay.
And I also, it's called Kino Life in Jamaica.
Kino, I think I've come across it on YouTube.
You come across me on YouTube. See? Yeah.
I saw the name before. I come across it.
Yeah, Kino Live. And you haven't subscribed.
And please, you having it foil on, so we're not leaving.
So I really, guys, see that I really do enjoy my rundown.
Oh, you had rundown. I be enjoyed
What kind of rundown? Saltfish?
No, salt mackerel.
Oh, mackerel, I don't like that.
You don't like mackerel? Oh, this is run up and down. Yes, it's called run up and down, you know. So how was your breakfast? Yeah, you had haki,
Good, yeah.
and you have haki too.
And we had steamed bami,
What a whole heap of something.
plantain,
And Johnny cake.
And Johnny cake and can't finish. See, I left this for the ancestors, you know.
You're the little kitty round here,
A fried dumpling. And for Johnny. So it's not Johnny cake, it's fried dumpling. So Johnny never owned that cake. Yeah, journey cake. Yeah. Cause I went to Portland and said journey cake.
You know that I prefer the dump. I don't like these. I like the ones that boil and you fry too.
Okay, that's an overnight one.
Yes, that's the one I like. When it fry over.
Yeah, so you have to cook it today and fry it tomorrow.
Aye.
That's the baddest one, you know. The overnight fried dumplings.
Oh yeah.
The overnight fried dumplings.
Yeah.
Wow.
That's the one I like.
So this is
The boiled one and fry over. Yes, ma'am. That's my dumpling.
No. So that's it there.
Okay.
Rosa told always pop up,
Yeah.
you know, above.
How much is our bill now with the food?
You subscribe yet?
Oh, it's dirty. It's
I'll show you where you subscribe from.
and the
Right here.
man I know. Yeah.
You want the two? I have two, you know.
Wow, thank you so much. You know.
Yes, I think.
So you're from Jamaica?
No, so I'm from Seaview Garden and I do charity also in Trenchtown, yes. But I move around Jamaica.
I used to live in Kingston, already been here, just down here. I'm here 2 years now.
Yeah.
Here 1 year now.
Really?
Top Hill though.
Top Hill. Yeah, I drive. I stopped on Top Hill to get some avocado as well. So
Okay.
it's hard.
I don't know. I just prefer.
Yeah, the city.
It's not even.
So you're a
about
city lady.
In a sense.
Yes, she's a city lady.
In a
Yeah.
sense.
No, I get you. I understand. Cause some used to the city and some love the wilderness, you know.
She just adopted because she's a country born.
I'm a country born, you know. St. Elizabeth to Balaclava.
But you go fall in love with the city life.
I don't know. I
It's not
just
strange
prefer.
enough. Strange enough.
And
she used
the
to
thing I
live
don't
there in
like
the early years in the
Kingston
70s,
proper,
right,
you know.
when she was young.
But out,
Yeah.
you know.
And then she
in the
moved to
outskirts.
Mandeville, and we lived in Mandeville for years. And then I went to Kingston in the early 90s.
well,
And she came in 2010. And when she came,
Yes.
And I used to
oh, I miss my Mandeville. I want to go back to Mandeville. I know that.
Yeah.
So all of a sudden now, it grew on her.
Yes,
No,
she
want
get
to
love
leave.
it. Yes, she get like it now, you know. Cause in Kingston now, she can always have a lot of people to talk to as well too. Your neighbors and everybody. If you're not talking,
By the police station.
Country better just with people
Yeah.
more
You remember
friendly down in
the
the country
police
than
station
here.
just
just like me, I rather country.
Yeah,
You know.
That road
Because
we
used to live
live
in
on, not far
Paddington,
from the
Oh, okay. By
You have a neighbor to talk to.
Barbican there. Yes, because it's quiet.
Yeah.
That's
It's
where we
quiet.
used to
So
live.
I like the country vibes, you know. I like the nature, you know. So just like how she rather Kingston now, just like me, I used to Kingston, but I rather the countryside.
I remember
You
Mr.
know?
Smith that had the gas station.
I remember
years up there and I got tired of
Yes.
Yes. So you're rather down here.
I remember
Because of the
Miss
weather.
Anderson, yes.
Of where we are in school.
School.
Up on the hill. So it's just
Because I find down here hot though, you know.
And
Yeah,
years haven't been
it's
to
hot.
Bala.
we are in top hill up on the
Yes.
hill.
Yeah.
Cool up
Yeah, cause it's on the hill. But Treasure Beach is like
Fog a lot of time.
Okay.
Try and put it now and the next minute you see fog
You know, the
come.
old
okay, so yeah, cause
Yes.
Nice.
Treasure Beach on the flat, that's why, right?
Yeah.
It's hot.
Anyway, past Southfield coming down hot.
Yes, yes. So the hill is better. That's why you have that cool complexion same way, you know? Yeah, cool. You know?
Well, it's my birthday.
Yeah. Is it birthday? Happy birthday. When is your birthday?
January.
Oh, it's gone already.
Coming soon.
So what, you keeping in the party? Any cake cutting?
No.
Nothing? So you have the Johnny cake for your birthday? Dirty cake. I was quite surprised to see how many elders watch my program. So that's why my one have always be positive.
Right.
Because it's mostly elders.
Them like the yaga.
Yeah, so I don't do none of those yaga. My thing is clean, no swear word, nothing at all. Anyone can sit down and watch it. The kids them, because the number one audience is in America.
Okay.
Yeah, and then you have Canada and you have the UK.
Okay.
Jamaica is at number 4. You know.
I'll be there all the time.
So where you going later?
I don't know yet. You're gonna surprise me.
We are going 90s dance. The rockers days. You used to go rockers? No.
I wasn't, when I was young, I wasn't a party. Or it sounded like B-man, so I wasn't a party person.
Oh, there.
No, I preferred going to dinners and
Okay,
things like that.
okay, I get you. You, what you like? Mostly dinners and resorts.
Yeah.
See? That's what I like. That's what I love. I love that. That's like the life, you know.
On my birthday, they took me to Ochi. What's the place name again?
Moon Palace.
Margarita.
Oh, Margarita. You been to Moon Palace before?
No, Moon Palace.
Lovely. You need to go there.
Moon Palace, I must remember that one.
Yes, trust me, you will love it.
Yeah.
And with Moon Palace, like most things, like everything is mostly indoors as well too. Once you come out your room and you go down in the buildings, like everything is underground.
That's in Ochi too?
Yes.
Moon Palace.
It's on the main street, turn off the main street.
About another one. What's that one? What's the other one that bitch told us about?
Harmony Beach.
Harmony.
Harmony Beach, yeah. But Margarita's beach is better.
Yeah.
But Moon Palace, it's a resort, so it's way much better. You will love it over there.
I like things like that.
Yes.
I don't like party.
Harmony Beach is alright. It's like an open beach, you know, but it's alright. But even Margarita Beach is much better, you know. But trust me, check out Moon Palace. You will love it. You know, our Hilton in Montego Bay, nice.
Yeah. Even from when I was young, I never liked the party business. No?
Yeah.
Invite me to dinners, as you said, in
That is
resorts
it.
and so. Love that.
That is it.
Yeah.
Of course.
Where's now home is sea.
I'll keep watching your vlog.
Hey, go mama.
Your stuff.
Yeah, that's your phone.
Keen, I like your style.
I like your style too. You make me extra tall.
Yes, I'm
Ready?
Alright then, so take care, yeah?
And you
Bless
too.
Alright, bless up.
When I used to teach, if you was in my class, you see.
I'd be the best student. The best student, you could never stop talking about me.
Hey.
You're like, students, there's a boy named Kino, you need to learn from him. You know.
Come up to the board, Kino.
Yes, and him always have him shirt tucked in, shoes clean, everything. Alright, yeah, mommy? Alright, yeah. So much lovely people here in Jamaica, boy. Such. Alright. Watch out now, you see life in Jamaica. You hear that Kiri Acoustics fully endorsed that YouTube channel there. You hear that? Watch out now, no. Keep trying, keep moving. Someday we will make it there. It's gonna be a better day. Gonna be a better end.